welcome back to my channel. This is Ebony. If you're new to my channel, please press the subscribe button for my new videos, and also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram will be right here. Yeah, so I'm a little far back today just so you can see the true length of my hair, so you'll understand like where I've been and then how I got to this length right now. Yes. Okay, so I don't have any pictures of this because it was horrible. But 2012 high school sophomore year, I cut all my permed ends off. So I did the big chop in my sophomore year, 10th grade. My hair was like up to my ear. Like I went to like a beauty school, and you know, at the beauty school, you know, it's cheaper, and I'm like, yeah, you just cutting off my hair. So she cut it off. It was horrible because I had just got in from, I think, some practice. What was I doing? I don't know, but my hair was sweated. So when she cut it, it was uneven because my roots were curly and my ends were straight. So after that, you know, I couldn't really wear it straight anymore because I don't know what I was playing. I think I was stepping or something, and it would keep, you know, what's the word? Sweating out. So yeah, so that was, I want to say, I feel like it was a little cold, but my hair was really short. I didn't take any pictures. I started taking pictures in 2013 because that's when I started doing my makeup, you know. Okay, so yeah, so this picture is me. My hair is about shoulder length. It probably grew out of that little short bob I had. This is all natural. So all the pictures you're gonna see are me fully natural. And then we're getting up onto a picture where Jessica actually did my hair. Y'all know Jessica. I just did her makeup on my channel. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you go watch it. The link will be down below. But she actually does hair. So she's been doing hair. So this is when, let me get the date. Okay, this is a year later, October 20th, 2014. She clipped my ends. Yeah, it wasn't shoulder length anymore, a little longer than shoulder length, but not quite bra strap. And then this picture is actually homecoming. So homecoming was October 25th, 2014. I had got a blowout from the Dominican salon. I used to get one probably once a month. Try to, because you know the heat is too much. Okay, and then shit got real basically. It got real when, I don't know, I had this urge to cut my hair. I think I remember me wanting to cut my hair because I was still straightening my hair every single day and my curl pattern kept loosening. So I was like, you know what, okay, so I'm gonna cut my hair and I'm not going to straighten it. I'm going to wear my natural hair. I really want curls. So Jessica, she actually cut my hair into a bob for me. This was November 3rd, so after homecoming, you know, whatever, and I really had a bob. Yeah, this was my senior year, 2014. I was getting ready to graduate. I graduated December. Oh my God. This is a picture of me going to work. Let me see what date this was. This is when I started doing clip-ins. I started doing my own sew-ins. I learned literally everything from YouTube. Like I probably went to the weave shop to get my sewing twice. Yeah, twice, because I know how I want to look, so I feel like I need to do it, you know. It's December 9th, so this is when I took the sewing out. You see that I was small, okay? And it's so crazy because looking at my body, I thought I, you know, was thick. So this is February 13th, 2015. This is my first time having a closure. I did it myself, and I mean, it looked good to me. Like my bangs was even, but this was like a whole, this was a sew-in. I wasn't wearing wigs yet, but yeah, this was definitely a sew-in. And then we're gonna jump to spring break. So Panama was like the thing in high school for spring break. So yes, look how. Now speaking of college, now we in college, you know. Okay, mind you, wherever you go to school at, check the weather and see how the weather is, because I did not know Albany was so humid before I went there, even though it's South Georgia, duh, Ebony. But I did not know it was so humid. So, you know, that's when I really started, you know, wearing more weaves. I think I just started wearing wigs, but we'll get to that. But yeah, so this picture was right after I got my braces off. So let me go to it on my phone. Basically, when I went to school, I had it in a sew-in. So I was just wearing it in ponytails, wearing my sew-ins. I'm gonna insert this clip where this is how I would usually wear my hair, just like in a low bun. And yeah, so that clip is November 11, 2015. And then this is how it looked when I take it out, November 17th. So this is probably when I first straightened it after experiencing the humidity. So I waited to straighten it. So this is how long it got. It was definitely at my collarbone, and this is actually with like the ends bumped or whatever. And then I did experience some dye. So I dyed my hair red. I dyed my hair red, but yeah, I really loved it. But you gotta touch red up too much, and I'm too lazy. So it was really cute though. I did dye my hair once before when I had permed hair freshman year. I dyed it honey blonde, the whole thing, February 26th. So basically for class, what I meant by not hit squat no more, basically for class, I would basically just bum it. Like, I mean, only on certain days, but my hair would just probably be like in a bun, a low bun. It was in a bun. All right, so this is March 2nd, 2016. This hair, oh my God. This hair was like the best hair ever, to be honest, like the best. So this was a sew-in. Yeah, this was a sew-in that I did. So now it's July, this is summertime, you know, you get that little itch and it's hot. So boom, I wanted to cut my hair again. So actually, yeah, I cut my hair again. I don't think I cut it. I don't really remember who cut my hair. I don't remember. But yeah, it wasn't a bob. It was like a straight even cut. It was actually really, really cute. So August happened. We went back to school. You know, I'm on game now. I was wearing a wig August 5th, 2016. I don't know if that was my first wig or what, but I don't see anything else in here. So we don't say that's my first wig, like, you know, I'm ready. Like, no, we not having that puffy hair this semester. We not having them sweated out edges. We not doing that. Okay, so we're gonna go to the 25th now of October. So this is when I straightened my hair. It was a little longer than, you know, the blunt cut. It was still a blunt cut because I didn't have any, you know, split ends. So it still grew evenly. This is a picture of it when it was flipped a little bit and had more body. This was the 28th. And then I went back to my wig. I would only wear my hair straight probably. So this is December. You'll see how I used to wear my curly hair. My hair does not curl like this no more. But I mean, so this is when I started selling hair. So, you know, I was easily accessed to hair, so I just started making even more wigs. So I'm gonna post this picture just so y'all can see like my curl pattern that when it started to like loosen up really like a lot. This was June 2nd. Okay, this is a good one. This is when I started actually noticing like my hair is getting longer. Like, okay. So this was July 22nd, 2017. So this picture is like a twist style that I did on my hair. This was August 28, 2017. This is my hair in September. This is a curl. This is when I noticed like, okay, my hair still got length. Even if I curl it, it had a lot of body, had a few layers in it. It was giving me everything. October 19th. This thing says, "What's under your wig, sis?" But yeah. This is when like my hair just started growing. Actually, this is when I started working out too. I started working out a lot, and I was wearing a wig when I was working out because when I work out, I don't do my hair. So I just put in some braids and let it be done. So this is when I was wearing wigs. I was drinking my water. I was working out. And in college, you don't really eat like you don't got time to eat. So like I used to eat tilapia almost every day. Like my first semester there, I used to eat tilapia almost every day because their classes feel like it's long too. And then I wasn't in a good headspace, so I was eating like tilapia. I wasn't really eating that good. Yes, this picture is really cute. This is when October 20th. This is when I did like a side part, curled it, and I still had a lot of length. I was noticing I was clocking my hair. It was growing. And the main thing I didn't do, this just happened. You know, I wasn't like deep conditioning my hair once a week. I wasn't getting trimmed once a month. Like I wasn't doing that. Like I was just leaving my hair long and making sure I tied it at night. I barely combed it. I probably combed November. This is when I dyed my weave, but this was also a sew-in. So I did bleach like a little bit of my hair to blend it. But you know, I didn't really care. And this is a picture. Okay, so this next picture is Thanksgiving, I believe. Yeah, the 23rd. That's Thanksgiving, right? Whatever. But this is when like my hair started getting like, you know, length. Like it was sitting, and when I moved, it wasn't going back up, you know. So this is when, like, yeah, this is when I could say I had hair. I wouldn't say long hair. I would say I have long hair now. I will call this long. So this is December 3rd, 2017. So this is when I was still in the gym. So like I was saying, I was either wearing my hair natural to the gym, or it was braided up under some wig. So this is what it will look like washed. I still had a few stringy pieces in the front, but most of it was still back curly. I went back curly. This was around Christmas time, December 8th. It wasn't bra strap length yet. It was right above it, I would say. And then Christmas, you'll see how my hair it looked really, really healthy. It was curled. It was a nice length. This is when, March 15th, 25th, 2018, when I started playing in frontals. Until I noticed, like, yeah, I can't go to the gym and wear a frontal. So this is a picture, August 8th, 2018. This picture, I think I was just going to work, and my ends are like a little bit curled. It's not curled all the way, but it's really cute. So this is my birthday picture. My hair was like definitely at my boob, and it was a little humid, so it did frizz up a little bit. It's actually a good picture. September 20th, I had got my ends clipped, and it was still giving me like layery feel. I really need to get this cut again because my hair it needs some life right now. But yeah, I had just curled it, wrapped it, and then once I undid it, this is how it fell. My ends was real juicy and bouncy. A month later, I'll show you one more picture of how it looked on the beach. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. So this is how my hair is hitting. This is where it's hitting right now. So my bra is right here. This is where my bra stops, and then this is my hair right now. And then in front, like look at this. I don't have no type of layers, but in front it's right up under like my nipple. And then I'm gonna do a side view of my hair. That's what I found out.